Have you ever wondered, what is the difference between Photoshop and Illustrator, since both are produced by Adobe? So, today we will learn difference between both and also, when to use Photoshop, and when to use Illustrator. Let's begin. The main difference between Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator is that Photoshop is based on pixels, while Illustrator works using vectors. In general, Photoshop is used to edit images, or you can say to manipulate images, such as removing background, blending two images, etc., while Illustrator is used to create vectors such as logo, digital arts, etc. But nowadays, some designers are using wrong software for their work. For example, some designers will provide you your logo in Photoshop. That is totally wrong. We always need logo in good quality, with least file size, and that can only be done in Illustrator. So always be aware where to use Photoshop and where to use Illustrator. Many software are available in alternative of Photoshop and Illustrator, but Photoshop and Illustrator are one and only best in market. So always use right software at right place. We are coming up with new tutorials, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video. Thank you.